Welcome. Skip the queue with MQ Delivery. As a company in the online food service sector, our strategy is targeted towards the students of Macquarie University. For students struggling to get from one end of the campus to the center of Campus Hub, we act as a delivery service by bringing you your order right to you. MQ Delivery is connected with all food and beverage providers operating within Macquarie University, as it adds a small surcharge on the delivery service depending on the number of venues involved and to which delivery location on campus, therefore keeping prices low and affordable. Quick delivery times are guaranteed based on a real-life GPS tracking system. We operate strictly on campus grounds where external food delivery companies such as Uber Eats and Deliveroo can't enter, giving us complete monopoly in terms of location. More than 80% of our employees are deliverers, therefore we pay significant attention in face-to-face training of employees, which improves our CRM model and maintaining a positive customer relationship.
The revenue process that will be undertaken by the business would be: the orders are sent through the app and the customers pay the bill of their orders plus the 50 cents that goes to Macquarie Delivery through PayPal. And then the MQD core is alerted, who will then send the order to respective kiosks or concessionaires at the commons, and then alerts nearby and free delivery personnel who will then take on the job of picking up the order and getting the food delivered to the customers. To support this process, the company is going to make use of CRM and EDI technologies, the former in order to understand our customers better, generating a system that will alter the customer's app interface to one that will display the food recommendations based on their previous orders. The use of an EDI technology will bind our system with a mobile application, with PayPal and with the food concessionaires at the commons, which will be a great boon at the business. As a small company, MQD will make use of a supply chain management software within its expenditure cycle. This will aid the planning and execution of orders and deliveries, as well as help foster the relationships between the vendors, customers, and us, service providers. Operating on strategic and operational levels, MQ Delivery will focus on establishing quality service for our customers, as the company's capital, funds, and revenue are solely reliant on the number of deliveries made. Securing close and lasting relationships with our customers will ensure that MQD's operations are a success.
Here at MQ Delivery, we're a relatively small team with our HR headed by a single member. This allows us to form a group of enthusiastic individuals who can really add value to the company whilst enjoying our work environment. Potential employees are mainly sourced from Macquarie University students, with their on-campus knowledge as well as proximity to the workplace being an advantage, with there being flexibility in our hours to work around their timetables. We mainly use face-to-face training here at MQ Delivery, as it gives us a better insight than online training would in how our employees will interact with customers. With this being a service product, this is where most value is added. For appraisal, 3 main KPIs are used. One is a rating system used by customers from 1 to 5. Another is timing of deliveries, and also vendor feedback. With employment reviews of continuous scores of 3 or below are attained, slow delivery times, or negative feedback from customers or vendors. To keep our employees happy, we make sure they're paid fortnightly every Wednesday at 11 AM, with this based off an hourly rate, with there being added bonuses if they exceed a set number of deliveries per day.
Technologies present MQD are customer relationship management and electronic data interchange. CRM enables us to have a better understanding of our customers and their interaction with our business. This includes database of customer information, tally of customer usage of MQD services, and remembering customer PayPal details. This leads us on to EDIs, which enables data exchange between systems. MQD relies on orders made through our app. It is essential that PayPal is integrated appropriately into our operations to ensure smooth flows of incoming and outgoing payments. Moving on, the controls present in MQD are preventive and detective controls. Preventive controls are the first line of defense created to prevent the occurrence of unwanted events such as fraud and conflict in payments made. MQD operates on a cashless basis, online only. This prevents theft and reduction in transaction errors. Detective controls are the second line of defense created to alert MQD of errors in our system. MQD will pursue the log analysis in the unlikely event that the preventive control fails, allowing MQD to trace this error and resolve it.
The use of CRM in MQ Delivery mainly allows for better customer service through a wide range of information about your customers and how they interact with your business, including past activities, conversations, and purchases, all which is an essential area as a food delivery service. EDI, on the other hand, allows increased efficiency through automating transactions, reducing errors from manual data entry, validation of content via EDI standards and receiving software, and confirming that transactions have all they need to enable proper and faster processing, traceability, and cost reduction. MQD also initially makes use of preventive controls, such as operating on a cashless basis. to ensure that the business maintains a low margin of error in terms of its transactions, while having a certain set of protocols in the case of unforeseen events. Detective controls also allow for better efficiency, as all transactions will be recorded, allowing for greater accountability within the organization.